Louis Vuitton. The Arte Capucines bag from artist Donna Huanca references two of her paintings, Cara de Fuego and Ma el Jol. The images are 3D printed on white leather, embroidered, then hand-painted in shades of blue and white, making each limited edition bag a unique work of art. The monogram flower on the flap and zip pull are reinterpreted with a feminine symbol, the artist's original creation.